Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kinong snong ka ilakan nong Clear East Giant Hills District bakanthop na daistong bat snong rem haka jingalam ka Giantia National Council but Giantia Students Union haga siteng sngi jong ka khat pratrip jemmang arajar arpun riu kilaylum hamadan haswa bakin tur pat sa Secretariat pandawa pensange ek jingtmu penlong ya ka public hearing haka arpu artrip jemmang arajar arpun riu ban Khlong Mawshun halum serman da ka Sri Cement Limited. Hagajing penkrea bentur sa Secretariat la penlong da gajing duai bat habaladap la penyat nak khmat da ka bana ka bahe ka belatho padai ben sange ya ka public hearing. Shushu la kado gajing Pyrshah ru ya ka Kaipot Environment Impact Assessment na State Environment Impact Assessment Authority ka Jilla Gujarat ban pentrai kam Meghalaya gajing bamdan benta ka Giantia Hills Autonomous District Council bat gajing bam pentrai kam yaki kendon ka 6 schedule na lor kiwe pat. Hakajingyat lenti sa Secretariat Blaisim benta hakajingyat pajba kila perta penram ya ke Sorkar Jalla bat kumju ya ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Haswaban poi sa Secretariat kaladon gajing pen abor Pulit bat bor pahara hapreng surak ban pakhang ya kajingyat pajba.
Government, down. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. MDA government, down. MDA government, down. MDA government, down. Go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Go back. MDA government, down. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Government, down. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back. MDA government, down. MDA government, down. MDA government, down. Go back. Go back. Go back. MDA government, down. Go back. Sri Cement, go back. Sri Cement, go back.
Hello. Call it.
Team Slam! Team Slam! Get to plan! Get to plan! MDA government! Down! MDA government! Down!
Là liếp nè.
Back. Hey, go back! Down! Down! Three cement! Go back! 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 MD comment! Down! MD comment! Down! MD comment! Down! MD comment! Down! Three cement! Go back! Three cement! Go back! Three cement! Go back! Three cement! Go back! Three cement!
What about NRC of cement? What about NRC of cement? It is illegal. What about the setup is illegal? Why the government is not stopping them? We have written in every concerned authority, sir. Why they are not stopping them?
Go back.
We'll organize meeting there.
Because we want our message to be heard.
Let's in front of that.
All our representation from both the NGOs and including the residents of Daistong opposing it. Memorandum have reached every concerned authority. Why they are not responding? We want them to respond.
Each and every department. So government,
You have to give time to them.
No, sir.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.